Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I will show you how to calculate cement, sand and aggregate for concrete. Okay, so here I will show you how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for 1 meter cube of concrete. If you can calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for 1 meter cube of concrete, then you will also be able to calculate the quantity of concrete for 5 meter cube, 10 meter cube and so on. Okay, so here I will take the example of M25 grade of concrete, and the mixed ratio of M25 grade of concrete will be 1:1:2. Okay, so this is the part of cement, this is a part of sand, and this is the part of aggregate. Okay, so you can also take the example of M20 grade of concrete, which will be 1:1:3. Okay, so here I will show you the example of M25 grade of concrete, and similarly you can take different grade of concrete for this. Okay, so total volume I am taking here 1 meter cube, and if you have 10 meter cube, then you can write here 10 meter cube or 15 meter cube. Okay, so dry volume of concrete will be what, 1 into 1.5 0.4. Okay, so when we convert wet volume into dry volume, then we have to multiply it by 1.54, and you will get how much, 1.54 meter cube. Okay, so this is our actual volume of concrete for which we will calculate the cement, sand and aggregate for a concrete. Okay, so first of all we will calculate the quantity of cement. Okay, so calculation will be 1, this is the part of cement, which is 1. Okay, so this is the part of cement, this is the part of sand, and this is the part of aggregate. Okay, so 1 divided by, this is the total sum of mix. Okay, so guys, here you can see 1:1:2 for M20 grade of concrete. If you take M25 grade of concrete, if you take M20 grade of concrete, then you have to add 1:1.5:3, which will be 5.5. Okay, so here I have taken M25 grade of concrete, so its sum will be 2 plus 1 plus 1, and which will be 2, 1 and 1 will be 4. Okay, so here 2 plus 1 plus 1, this is the total sum, and this is the dry volume. Okay, so we have already calculated here dry volume. Okay, so which is 1.54. Okay, so after calculating this, we will get how much, 0.375 meter cube, and this is the actual volume of cement. Okay guys, so if you want to convert it into kg, then you have to multiply it by 1440, because the density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube, and when we convert it into kg, then we have to multiply volume into density. Okay, so when we multiply this volume into density, then we will get how much, 540 kg, and when we divide it by 50, because in market we get 1 bag of cement is equals to 50 kg, so when we divide this kg of cement by 50, then we will get how much, actually 10 bags of cement. Okay, so guys, for 1 meter cube of concrete we need how much, 10 bag of cement. Now let us calculate our sand and aggregate. Okay, so here sand, we will apply same formula, 1 and 1 divided by, this is also the part of sand. Okay, for M25 grade of concrete, here you can see for M25 of concrete, one part is sand. Okay, so again part of sand divided by total sum into 1.54, and again we will get how much, 0.375 meter cube of sand. Okay, similarly when we calculate for aggregate, then we have to apply the same formula, but here the part of aggregate is 2. Here you can see the part of aggregate is 2, so this 2 divided by total sum into this dry volume. Okay, so this dry volume, after calculating, we will get how much, 0.77 meter cube. Okay, so we generally get the sand and aggregate in meter cube, so we will not convert it into kg. Okay, now for water, we add 297 liter of water for 1 meter cube of concrete, because we have taken 0.55 as a water cement ratio. Okay, so here this is 540 is the weight of cement, we have already calculated 540, and if we take 0.55 as a water cement ratio, then we will get how much, 297 liter of water. Okay, so guys, in summary, we have calculated total weight of cement as 10 bag of cement. Okay, and the sand is 0.375 meter cube, and aggregate is 0.77 meter cube, and finally water is 297 liter. Okay guys, so in this way we can calculate the total weight of cement and volume of sand and aggregate in a 1 meter cube of concrete. Okay, so guys, this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. If you want to know more, then you can visit this website www.civilconcept.com, which I have put the link in the description. Okay.